episode of Roller Coaster Seesaw Ski. Today we're going on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I'm sorry it's not a nighttime point of view, but I had to do this, so I forgot to do it, so I am doing it right now. So sorry for a nighttime point of view, but it's a Seven Dwarfs. We're going on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in the daytime. Alright, here we are on board the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Ready?
We're ready. Yep, we're ready.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Alright.
We're savages. I am.
Oh, you are?
Help out.
Alright, oh, here we go. Woo-hoo. Here we are. Whoa! Oh, it's getting intense already. Oh, what a big old wooden roller coaster this is. Oh man, I don't know what's gonna happen, but this can go super fast. Please remain seated, keep your arms inside the car. Whoa, rock and roll ain't noise pollution! Holy crap! Woo! Oh, we're slowing down. Oh, getting to see this. Seven Dwarfs. Oh, here comes another second hour of our adventure. Oh, this is good. Gosh, see some shadows, but why don't you go over the top? Woo! The mine train is... Okay, well that's low intensity. That's more than I expected. More than I expected. Woo! This is more than a mine train can go. Oh! Oh! That's... It's already over. That was actually pretty cool. That was a good ride on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. And even though there's no inversions, no loops, you still got a good... And the line is pretty long, so this is probably our only time we'll do it. That was neat. Alright. Well, there we have it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for riding. And we hope to see you right back here in the very near future. Oh, man. That was so fun, man. I think I have got another mine in my